You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about India-Pakistan exchanging list of nuclear installations. This is for GS Paper 2, International Relations. In continuing a 32-year practice, India and Pakistan on the 1st of January 2023 exchanged a list of their nuclear installations under a bilateral pact which prohibits the two sides from attacking each other's atomic facilities. The exchange of the list took place under the provisions of the Agreement on the Prohibition of Attack against Nuclear Installations and Facilities. Now let's get into the details. It was done simultaneously through diplomatic channels in New Delhi and Islamabad. The agreement was signed on the 31st of December 1988 and came into force on the 27th of January 1991. The pact mandates India and Pakistan to inform each other of the nuclear installations and facilities covered under the agreement on the 1st of January of every calendar year. This is the 32nd consecutive exchange of such lists between the two countries, the first one having taken place on the 1st of January 1992. The exchange of the list came amid continuing strain in ties between the two countries over the Kashmir issue as well as cross-border terrorism. Pakistan first officially tested nuclear weapons in 1998 and has since developed a significant stockpile of nuclear-capable missiles, as has India. With the help of China, Pakistan has recently increased its use of nuclear energy to meet the rising demand for electricity. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.